know why. Oh what? You say, oh. I think you too loyal. You say, I think you too loyal.
Good morning. I just woke up like 10 minutes ago. I'm so tired still. So obviously you can tell I did not clean last night. The only thing I'm doing right now is making my bed so that, you know, I could have like at least one thing clean. But last night I ate, I watched TV with my mom. We watched a couple shows and I went upstairs to my room and I was just on TikTok. I literally have 75,000 views on that video with me and the girl. I'm so happy that I made that video. And I worked really hard on making the video just for the simple fact that I don't know if I mentioned it before, but it got deleted twice, so I had to redo it, like all my makeup, so my face was burning. Because removing makeup and doing it again and removing it and doing it again, that's like really harsh on the skin. Let me finish cleaning. Comment below and let me know how your quarantine has been, because honestly, like, I'm so curious to know how other people are holding up. I hope everyone's doing okay. For me, anxiety has been an issue for years. Years and years and years. I might even eventually end up telling you a story time on my first like real anxiety attack, because I understand that it is serious. So I hope everyone honestly is doing okay and they have like support from their family. Just take deep breaths and just think about all the positive things that you do have going on for yourself. Maybe this is a time to like start your YouTube channel or start your little small business online. Obviously people are not gonna be buying anything now, but you can like brainstorm. Like, you have free time now. I would say this is the time to figure yourself out, figure out your hobbies, what you like to do on your free time. I'm actually, once my room is fully clean, I want to work on my sewing machine. Like, I want to figure it out, I want to learn how to use it, and I want to start doing a couple things that I've always wanted to do, and I just never, I had the time, I just never did it, you know. And now I feel like this is the time for me to learn how to use it. Yeah, I think this looks better this way. No, it looks better that way. My two children, everyone is like so afraid of my AT, or like think he's so ugly. And if you guys think he's ugly, we can be friends. Like, my friends literally beat my poor baby up, and it's not funny. It's not nice. And then my other son, I don't even, you know what's crazy? I had him for years and I don't remember if I ever named him. But he's a Cowboys player. I forgot I had these other white pillows. I have so many pillows, I don't know what to do with them. Like, I don't even want some of them. So if anyone needs pillows, let me know. Like, I'm not even joking. What do I do with them? This is so annoying. Just put this in right now. I feel like my bed has way too many pillows. Is that doing too much? I don't know if you can see. I deadass forgot I had this. Obviously it doesn't go with this type of shirt or anything like that, but I bought this a while back. It looks pretty cute. I have so many clothes and dresses that I've never worn. If you guys want to see that, and you can let me know if I should keep it or if I should just sell it, get rid of it, whatever the case is. If you guys want to see a try-on haul, let me know. I freaking violated this ponytail. I was joking around with my friend in my room and I deadass was swinging it and I took it off my head and I threw it back. And I never even went to check for it again. So it was behind my mirror and I think it's ruined. I'm not too sure if I can save this. Honestly, it's mad knotted and it looks all types of disgusting. Obviously, we can tell over there that whole countertop looks a hot ass mess. I still have things on the black couch. And I'm going to turn the camera to this area, which is horrible. So this is my makeup area. I have no idea where to start. This is really annoying, but yeah. And then this is what this looks like. I'm just gonna organize it a little bit better. I don't really have a spot for it, so it's gonna stay like that. Just it's gonna look better. Alright, so this is my time to listen to my music, you know, get in my zone, really clean my room, and then I'll show you what my room looks like when it's done. My music playlist, you know what, I should do like a heartbreak breakup type of freaking playlist, because that's all the music that I listen to. Even when I was in a relationship and I was so freaking happy, I love heartbreak music. I don't know what my issue is, I have no idea. But if you guys want a music of my playlist and like my heartbreak music, let me know. Or I could do something like not heartbreak, something else, something a little more like, you know. So anyways, I'm gonna clean and I'll be right back. I cleaned so much. I got rid of so much stuff in my room, threw a lot of things out, have way more things to give away, and I'm just really proud of myself. So I'm gonna take you to my room and show you what I got done. So let's go. Okay, so my room looks so good. I'm so happy. I have all my shoes. You can see I have like a black bag there behind the black shoes. I have my pink bag behind my pink shoes, and I have a yellow bag behind the yellow shoes. I have my nightstand area over here, which all of this stuff I can't do anything about. That's like the wood scraped off. But I have my godson right there. His parents' bouquet from their wedding. You already know that was all me right there. I caught that. The letter K, and then this candle that smells so good. It's eucalyptus and rosemary. This right here, I'm gonna actually fill it up with my winter clothes and put that, you know, into the garage or whatever. It's actually empty right now, but I have no closet space like I was saying in the beginning of the video, so I'm actually gonna put my winter clothes in there. I have my leather elephant that my stepfather got me. This is tragic. I literally ruined everything, so I would love to sand this down and repaint it and then have like a glass over it so this doesn't happen again. This is a million years old. I'm actually gonna get rid of this. I just don't know when. I have my two elephants here, my stepfather, my water jugs. I'm drinking my water in here right now. Then I have this filled with like my earrings, my bracelets, and then all of the headbands that I use for when I do my videos. This right here is all stuff that I'm giving away. These are just my blankets folded on the couch, my Gucci slippers down there. My freaking light is almost out, so if I was to turn this off, let me show you what my room looks like when I have my light on. Like, what is this? You can't even see anything. That looks horrible. So I need my ring light. We have my bed right here, obviously. So I have this dresser. I don't know if you guys remember, but it was completely packed with like lotions, hair products, just anything you could think of was packed on top of there. And I no longer want that like that. I want it to be like nice. I would love to have like a nice green plant there, but you know, I just cleared this out, so I'm gonna have to eventually get that. I do have my lotions and my perfumes that I use like on the daily, so that's why that's out like that. But all of the products I moved back here. So this is all my hair products, and then I have all of these lotions, and then I use this every day, but this is not something that I want like shown. I have some makeup in here. This is all filled with makeup, hair stuff, and face products. So if you guys want a video on like what's inside of this, I can definitely show you that. So now we have this area, which I use these makeup products like all the time, so that's why they're up here. This is where I always do my makeup. Then of course my mirror. I have all my primers, foundations, concealers, mascaras, all my setting sprays, my brushes, what else? Translucent powder, then like the lip glosses and the lip liners and the eyeliner, and of course my beauty blenders. So inside this right here, I do have like my hair products. So I have a brush in there, my gel, and then like the little toothbrushes that I use for my edges. So that's all in there, and my tripod. Now under here, I have my sewing machine that I want to learn how to use, but that's gonna be like tomorrow. And then I have my mirror, and I'm like so happy because it's all clear around there. Also, if I wanted to bring this down and have it like this, let me show you. Let me show you what it looks like when I do that. But if I did want to have it down, and you know, so if I wanted to bring it down, I could also bring it down. But I just love to have like the whole entire table. I don't know, but So you can put it down. I guess if you like want something over here and you needed space, I could definitely do that. But I do prefer it up just because I like having so much space. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me like chit-chatting while cleaning my room. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment below what other types of videos you guys want me to do during this quarantine time. There's not like much that I can do, but you know, there's things I can vlog around my house. A lot of people say they like my family and they think my family is pretty cool. So if you guys want that, if you guys want makeup videos, if you want me to show you like what I have and like my makeup setup inside there, or just pretty much anything, let me know. And don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I'm about to go make TikToks. Go follow me.